Welcome to the EZLIFE Duo 2-person sauna assembly video. First, you place your base in the desired location. With the help of 2 people, you're going to place the front panel. You're going to attach your front handle using a Phillips screwdriver and then bring in the left panel. Working together, we're going to align that left panel in the front and attach all 3 clasps in place. Next, we bring in the right panel and also doing the same thing by aligning the front with the right panel, then securing all 3 clasps. Now that we have these left and right panel, bring in the leg warmer. We're aligning this with the internal supports. We bring in the back panel and leaving it slightly separated, we bring in the bench seat, aligning the piece underneath the bench. We can now secure all 3 of the back clasps. Now bringing in the top roof panel, being careful not to pinch any black wires. We now connect all black wires together, matching A to A and B to B. We now connect all of the small white and colored wires by matching the male and female sides of each of these wire harnesses. Lastly, we slide in place the roof panel and pull the black power cord through the opening in that roof cover panel. Now you're able to slide it and plug it into any standard 110 volt 15 amp outlet and enjoy.